We are proud to introduce Arthrex Aesthetics within the North American market, offering innovations for surgical procedures, including both cosmetic and reconstructive, as well as non-surgical procedures. Arthrex is a global medical device company and world leader in multi-specialty, minimally invasive surgical technology innovation, scientific research, manufacturing, quality, and medical education. Our relentless pursuit of innovation has allowed us to enter new markets that include aesthetics, trauma, endoscopy, spine, cardiothoracic, cancerous lesions, neurosurgery, and wound healing. Today, we develop more than 1,000 new products and related procedures annually to advance minimally invasive innovations worldwide with a total of over 25,000 products. Arthrex specializes in the latest 4K multi-specialty surgical visualization and OR integration technology solutions. One of the key drivers in the aesthetics market is the demand for minimally invasive procedures, shorter recovery periods, and natural treatments, all of which align with the Arthrex product portfolio. Building on our 15 years of success with platelet-rich plasma systems, Arthrex delivers a comprehensive biologics portfolio that enhances the body's natural healing potential. We encourage you to learn more about our current innovations offered in aesthetics, including the Synergy Vision Imaging System, Nano 2mm instrumentation, PRP Advanced Systems, and Jumpstart antimicrobial wound dressings. With agency and lab locations throughout the United States, we are ready to provide extensive hands-on support to help optimize your surgical outcomes and your patient experience.